There are several changes related to scheduling that colleges can implement to make it easier for students to work during school. The first is implementing cohort-based scheduling. A cohort is a group of students who start their major or minor at the same time and take the same classes together. An example of this would be all finance majors starting their coursework during the first trimester of a given academic year, and then all those students take these same classes together until they finish their major. The benefits of cohort scheduling are that you make deeper connections with your classmates, and any of your classmates can help you if you need it. Both of these benefits can make your school life easier, which in turn will make it less stressful to work during school. The second change is implementing time block scheduling. This type of scheduling means a student can get all required classes completed within very tight blocks of time. I'm going to recommend 3 time blocks for classes. The first time block is classes on Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. The second time block is classes on Monday through Thursday, but this time in the afternoon, from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. The final time block is classes on Friday through Sunday from 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Here's how this scheduling would work. Imagine you're a student majoring in finance, and for this trimester, you're required to take 5 finance classes. Let's call these classes A, B, C, D, and E. In time block scheduling, the college would offer all 5 classes each week during each time block, so a student could knock out all 5 classes within the block. Here's what it would look like for the finance classes. Time block scheduling makes it easier for students to work during college in a few ways. First, it provides large continuous blocks of time during which a student is not in school. These blocks of uninterrupted time are when a student can work. These blocks of time also make it more likely that an employer will hire a student because the student's schedule is more open. Some employers hesitate to hire students because they have wonky class schedules that impact the availability of the student to work. Time block scheduling fixes this problem. Second, this type of scheduling makes it easier for students to make up classes they miss due to work commitments. Let's pretend that a college decides to teach the same classes for every major during all 3 time blocks in a trimester. In this case, a student who has to miss a class because of an unexpected work commitment could make that class up by attending the class in another time block. This provides more flexibility for the student. And third, this scheduling is more beneficial for commuters because it guarantees that they'll only have to drive during 1 rush hour and not 2.